Alright, we measured it. I actually use a third man to measure and see how that comes out. Remember, this is adjustable. That's a great friend. So what distance did he say it is? Right, now we want it so it doesn't jam up. Just fall down. That's pretty good. Right. We cut it like that, we should be able to fit it up and hard, yes. No problem here. So let's see what that measures. Let's tighten it just to make sure it holds. That's it. Now we want to cut a supporting wood that length. Measurements. So we'll go next door and cut the wood. And I'll take you through there with me. So sit in the bar and I'll wheel you through. So let's use it O as our marker here. Along. Right. Keep it dead on the end. I'll sit, do that. That's 106. Mark it. Roll over. Mark at the end. Roll over. Mark at the end. That's pretty good. Let's square up with the middle one. Bring this in. You like my workbench? I come up with real fancy workbenches, I'll tell you. So, using this part of the saw handle, push up to its level, squared up I should say. Taking the middle one, the middle mark, square everything up so as we get this square. And so let's cut it nicely, square. All the professionals will give me a ride for this. Remember, it's not a hacksaw, so it's only not heavy, just works its way through. Now that should be and finish your job here. The job stops, and this has covered them all. Now, that's them all back up. Just show you. That's them ready through. Well, not through yet. Now let's just do a wee test run with the nails there. Yep, you can't beat that. Oh, well done, well done. Well done, all of us. And bones them, bones them. Try bones them, bones them, bones them. Try bones them, bones them, bones them. Try bones, now hear the word of the Lord. Now, the next thing we're going to do, we're going to glue them. Touch the glue on it, shall we? Here we go. Hold on a second. So, let's do the best we can with what we have. You touch the glue, shall we?
and that's what he calls gluing it and screwing it. So we've glued it, let's screw it, but let's get it right. Okay. Oh, fit nicely. Anybody complaining with that? Let's give it a wee hand. We'll bring in Mr. A again, whatever his name, her name, to get up onto it. And that, my intention here, let's straighten up a bit, and again, there we are. Now this could be a hard task, unless we turn the drill on it, which we're not thinking about at the moment. But as we screw in, we're now screwing in not very much, but enough at the work surface to hold it. Oof. I can't move that. Let me take that a wee bit. Did it go? One more. Well, I think we can do a unit, friend. There we are. Heaven knows what's going to be with that. None I can think of.